wanted to share my latest project. I wasn't going to, but I was using a tool that I thought was really cool, and probably a lot of people have never seen it before because it's an old tool that I got with a clockmaker's tools auction that I won, called, where's my camera? There we are. Yankee Handyman. It is a little router, kind of. Comes with multiple ones. I've already been working, so I got a mess here, but these all come in with it. The tail end of this comes off, and they're all stored in there. And so it's for drilling holes. So my project was this clock. So I got this fancy little decal that I put on it. This clock is an Emperor Clock Company kit that I made back in 1986, roughly. And it just had a plain glass, and I was working on some of my kitchen clocks, and I ordered an extra thing and decided to put it on here because I liked the one with the peacock. So the face was too low. It wasn't centered in the hole that was left with the decal, so I have had to move this whole mechanism up, which has not been the easiest thing, but I've got it marked and I've been working on it. And so this Yankee's Handyman's tool is what I wanted to show you, because if you put a piece of wood under your case so that you don't split the case when it gets close to the back, and you put it on your mark, it's spring loaded. You just press up and down and it drills the hole. I think I'm just about through. Nope, not quite. So I didn't realize it was spring loaded. I was trying to hand turn it and it kept trying to pop in and out. Okay, I hear it. It's getting close to the back. There we go. It should be through the back. And then I can put my new screw through like this one from the back side. Alright, last hole. That little black dot right there. It's so easy to start. You just push down a little bit. It makes a little tiny hole, and you can see if you're in the center. And if not, move it over a little bit. Hear it getting close to the back. Slow down a little bit. Alright, and I'm through. I don't have the stand, so I'm going to put the screws through and mount the movement and show you. By the way, I wanted to show you, this was a Hermle, however you say it, France Hermle movement. 141041, and there's a number at the bottom. I think you can look up that 122.850, and it would give you, that serial number would give you the date this movement was made, but I can tell you it was mid-80s because I bought it. It's been a good movement. I've oiled it. I took the pins out. To take the face off, you have to take the pins out. And just oiled it front and back to put it back together. It'll be good for another 10 years. Got all 4 screws through. Again, I put a little wood putty in the previous holes. I had to move up the gong and everything. So I'm going to flip it over. Okay, let's see how it's going to do. I've got to get that extra wood putty out of there. It came through the holes good. I can put a little dot of stain on these spots, or the furniture markers will give it a little bit of color, and you'll never notice it up behind the movement. Unless someone in the 100 years from now goes, oh, that's not the original movement because there's extra holes in the case. But they'll be video proof. I'm not good at working one-handed, left-handed. This video camera was made to hold on the right because it's got a little strap on the right. So I'm going to try to hold it left-handed. Let's see what we can see. Okay, two-handed finagling. I'll be back. Screws are in from the back. Movement's pretty well centered now in the hole. So I'm happy with that. I had to readjust the gong. I'd love to show you this hanging on a wall, but I took the wall and put my other clock that needed a home. My cuckoo quail, George Cool. So this guy was hanging there, so I've got to find a new home for him. But yep, I got it adjusted pretty good. So I'll find a place for it, put the pendulum back in, and we're up and running. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.